نافي عنتين وأيضا سلاماي معاكا رشيد لوستيك معلم كرنكا. We are here for the conference press with my staff of national team, senior معلم يوعلي, coach assistant, he was former national team, and معلم coach fitness معلم غسان الإبراهيمي is from Morocco. So this conference, inshallah, we are talking about three essential points. The first point is the selection criteria. The second point, the list of 35 players who's representing our national team. And the second point is our plan in camp in Morocco, inshallah. So the criteria, the first criteria, the player who have competitivity. This is the first. The second, the players who play in the first or second division in Europe. The third criteria, the best local player who work during last months and they work hard and they do the professional work. And the fourth criteria, it's the young talent. So let's start to introduce you the list. The first, inshallah, 4 goalkeepers. Abdulrahman Mahmoud Jamal from Dekeda, the local player. Yusuf Mustafa Mohammed, he play in FK Berga in Sweden in Division 2, professional player. Ahmed Mao Sharif, he play Horsed team. And the fourth goalkeeper, it's Ibrahim Ahmed Hussein, he play Wahal. Right full back, Ayman Mohammed Hussein, he play Horsed. Haji Abdullahi Abdikadir, he play Maracena in Spain. And Muhammad Abdi, he play in USA in Columbus Crew 2. Left full back, Fahad Mohammed, he play Ekenas in Finland in Division 2. Abdelwali Rahman Mahmoud, he play in Elman. Elmi Sadiq Faisal, he play in Gronod. And the central back, we have Salim Abdi Moya, he play in Orlando City in USA. Ahmed Abdullahi Abdi, he play in Orsed. Suleiman Sayyid Ali, he play in Dekada. And also we have Isa Abdul Kader Ibrahim, he play Elman. Mahmoud Kali Ibrahim, he play Horsed. And Abel Gigli, he play Correas in Italy. Midfielder, Abdkader Sido Ali, he play Elman. Osman Mahmoud Ahmed, he play Gadidka. Ismail Isa Ahmed, he plays Stocksund in Sweden in Division 2. Jama Omar Hassan, he play in Chaps in Finland. Muhammad Hussein Abdul Karim, he play in Chaps in Finland. Hassan Muhammad Adan, he play Elman. Mahmoud Nuh Mubarak, he play in second division in Origi, and also he play with Malmo. Haji Adan Malain, he play in Dakada. Abdi Shrif, he play in Wigan. He is a young talent. He play in UK. And Abdel Hafid Muhammad Abdi is also a young talent. He play in Elman. Right winger, Farhan Muhammad Ahmed, he play Horsad. Isa Adim Abtari, he play MCC. Zakaria Hassan Muhammad, he play #United in UK. The left winger, Haji Abdul Kader Abdi, he play Tulsa in USA. Awad Muhammad Abdullah, he play Silma Wanderers in Malta in Division 1. Bilal G, he play Haugesund in Norway in Division 1. And the last player, the striker, Mahad Mohammed Abdul Kadir, he play Horsed. Mukhtar Abdi Suleiman, he plays Skanburg in Netherlands. And the last one is Ahmed Yusuf, he play Vandal in Australia. This is the 35 players who represent us, our national team, inshallah, in Qualify World Cup in 2026. And also, the door is open for all who work hard. He is welcome to our national team. So, let us talk about the third point. Our plan will be like that. We start the first camp in Morocco, the date FIFA, 9-17 October. We go to Morocco, inshallah, at 8 until 20 October 2023. And we play 2 friendly games in Morocco. Then we have another camp, another city in Morocco, in Agadir. We start 20 October until 9 November 2023. So we travel to Algeria at 9 or 10 November. Then we play there the first official game, Qualify World Cup against Algeria in Alger. And we back to Morocco. We host Uganda in Morocco. We stay 1 week between 14 until 21 November 2023. And we host Uganda in 21 November. It will be the second time, and our camp is finished. This is our plan. I want to thank very much our SFF, Mr. President Ali Sheina, Mr. Yusuf Muhyiddin, our General Secretary, and all members. I want to thank also all media. They are following us, they support us. And also I want to thank our staff, who work very hard, and all local players. 30, we selected before 39 players, and now we are taking only 17. And we hope that he grow their level. And Mahad Sanadin. Assalamu alaikum.